Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteBook 840G8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users encounter an issue where their HP EliteBook 840G8 won't boot due to a corrupted BIOS. This problem can occur for several reasons, such as a failed update or power interruption during the BIOS update process. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications and ultimately render your laptop unusable. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement BIOS chip if necessary. First, ensure you have your workspace prepared and your tools at hand. Now, let's begin by carefully opening the device. Start by turning off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the mainboard. The BIOS chip is usually situated near the CPU. You'll be looking for a small rectangular chip that is often marked with a label. To extract it, carefully unscrew any screws holding it in place, ensuring you keep track of them. Be gentle while removing it to avoid damaging the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old BIOS chip is removed, carefully place the new one in the same position, making sure it aligns correctly with the connectors. Reattach any screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could damage the board. Before putting the back cover on, reconnect any cables you may have disconnected during the process. Now, gently close the back cover, ensuring all clips are aligned and securely fastened. Finally, reconnect your laptop to the power source and boot it up to verify that the issue has been resolved. If it starts up without any problems, congratulations! You have successfully repaired your HP EliteBook 840G8. To prevent future BIOS issues, ensure your laptop's firmware is regularly updated, avoid abrupt power cuts while updates are in progress, and consider using a reliable power supply during updates. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.